How to clear Facebook application cache and data on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can go ahead and clear your Facebook application cache and data on your phone. So it works for Android devices only. So go to Settings, scroll all the way down and go to Apps. Now from the Apps section, you can scroll down and find Facebook, or you can also use the search icon in the top right corner. Now go ahead and search for Facebook application. If you're looking for Facebook, go ahead and tap on Facebook, or if you're using Light application or Messenger, you can also go ahead and tap on any one according to your preference. Now let's go ahead and tap on the Facebook application. You'll be taken to the app info page. From this page, you need to scroll down and tap on storage that you will find below the battery option under the usage section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get the clear cache option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that. Beside that, there you'll see the option of clear data. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap on delete. But remember that this will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. And you also need to make sure that you know the user ID, username, or password of your specific Facebook account if you want to log in after clearing the data. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.